Hey guys, I'm gonna wash my windows with this Rain-X stuff. I've already kind of started, but I need to apply several coats because these windows are filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. This is the 1997 Mercury Grand Marquis. I'm calling it Marquis Mark. And I want to try and get it looking as good as it possibly can for such an old car. I'm not planning to restore it, to its factory settings or anything, but I am a little embarrassed to park it on the street looking as bad as it does after having been sitting for so long. So I want to at least get the exterior clean enough that I'm not ashamed to have it outside. And then I'll start working on the interior as well. Just try to get it as clean and comfortable and as beautiful as possible. Lots of caked on stuff. In fact, I might need to get a razor blade or something to scrape off some of this gunk on the windows, but it'll be a big improvement from what it was before. This product is supposed to kind of help when it rains, repel the water, I guess, or prevent water spotting on the windows. I'm not really sure. I know I shouldn't be doing this in the sun, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it anyway. I'm a rebel. I'm a car window washing rebel. Better than before, at least. Not perfect, but improving. It's an improvement. That's what we're going for. A little improvement.